Okay, Shafia, come turn on your video cam. I need your audio. Okay, I'm gonna time you for your timetable. Where are you, Shafia? Okay, I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna time you, okay? So we have 36 cards now. Okay, are you ready? And go. Cannot hear you.
6,
6, okay, I start now. Okay, 6.
10,
Good,
14,
good.
25,
Oh, very good,
20,
Not 20.
15,
Okay.
28,
Good.
16,
12. 4 times 3, 12,
40,
40, good. You can guess lah.
20, 30,
Good,
21,
good.
30,
24. 6 times 4, 24.
24,
Good,
18,
good,
12,
good,
4,
good,
9,
good.
20,
4 times 4, 16. 4 times 4, 16.
27,
Good,
56,
oh, good,
48,
good,
35,
well done.
81,
72. 8 times 9, 72.
32,
Good,
63,
well done.
81,
Good,
36,
good, guess it, guess it, guess it. Guess.
36,
Good,
48,
49. 7 times 7, 49. Next one.
64,
Good, well done. 6 times 7,
42,
well done. 6 times 9,
54,
good. 8 times
16,
2, well done, well done. Some more?
8,
2 times, good.
18,
Wow.
45,
Good,
12,
good.
30,
6 times 4, 24. 4 times 4,
16,
good. Next one. 8 times 9, don't see lah, don't ask. 72. 8 times 9,
That's all.
72. Okay. 7 times 7,
49,
good. 6 times 4,
24,
good. 8 times 9, 70.
72,
Well done. Okay, your timing now is 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So next week, same time, you have to bring it down to 3 minutes. Can you practice at home now? I think you practice, huh? You're practicing. Okay, good, good. So your timetable is faster than some of them, but you still need to bring it down to under 3 minutes. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. So how do do you log out or your brother or sister be using? You
they're
can,
using this.
okay, then you turn off the video first. Then I can turn on the video first. Okay. 26. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to call the rest. So just give me a moment. Just let me call the rest. Okay. So Hannah is here. Call the rest. Okay. All right. Okay. Come, everyone. Turn on the video. Come. We're going to start straight. Sophia, you okay, Sophia? Okay. Come, turn the video here. Turn on video. Come, Shafia. Who's behind Shafia? Shafia punya. Okay. We'll continue with our algebra. Now, I'm just going to show you the first one. Okay. This now deals with expansion. So remember expansion. If you are going to expand a these two brackets, this a must times x first, and then it must times the y. Once you're finished with that, b times the x and b times the y. Can you try please question A and question C? A and C, please. ANC is also the name of African National Congress. What Mandela was part of. It's not here. South Africa and Inshira. You know Inshira. Okay, if you don't know, I will show you, but you try first, okay? Okay. Miss what's her name? Sophia, I think you only times two number lah. Sophia, unfair. You are supposed to get 4 terms. That means you have forgotten. Okay. If you have forgotten, I will show you. Hassan, you know what to do, Hassan? Okay, those who have forgotten, let me see. Hassan also forgotten. Or maybe you have never learned. Okay, so we go step by step, step by step. Look, first you take A times the X. What do you get? AX. Okay, and then A times the Y. What do you get? AY plus AY lah. A plus AX, AY. Then the next one, B times the X, BX. And then B times the Y, BY. This is your answer. You cannot combine them, BXY, cannot. Okay, this is your answer. Why? Because AX is a different animal from AY, different animal from BX, different animal from BY. You cannot combine any of them. This is your answer. Whenever you times like that, you're supposed to get 4 terms. What is term? This is 1 term. This is another term. This is the 3rd term. This is 4th term. Okay, you all understand? You try question C now. Question C. You must have 4 answers down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please try. Come on, you can do this. Where's the rest now? Syafia punya kakak ni, Syafia mana? Yes, yeah. Oh, brother and sister together, just like in the car. Okay lah. Very good. Okay, now we try question C. Question C, come on. Okay, Hassan, let's see. This is your, that's your first one, huh? Second one. Okay, Hassan, well done. Well done. Okay. What about Hian? Well done also. Let me just okay, let's see, yeah. We have Aksan and now Sophia. Raihana also. Okay, we check. You see whether you're correct. Some of you are making mistakes with the sign. Be careful. Guys and girls, you are entering Sec 2, so please, first A times X, AX. Plus or minus, this must be plus because this is plus, this is plus. You see there's no sign. No sign means plus. Then next one, A times the Y. This is plus times plus, you must be plus lah. So these two are plus. The next one, minus and plus. Minus and plus give you minus lah. BX, BX. Next one, B times the Y, BY. This is your answer. Okay, let's see. Hassan got it correct. Raihana, your BY, Raihana. Minus and plus give you minus, not plus. So what about, let me just check this one. Same thing, Sophia, B minus B times plus Y. Minus and plus give you minus, not plus. And Heian, AY, okay. A times Y is plus lah, Heian, not minus. This is plus. Plus and plus is plus. And then these two must be minus lah. So only Hassan got it correct, So please try. We got to try until you are clear. Shafika and brother, where are you? Come on, Shafika, brother, come on. I know you are good, but come on, please. Question number D. Okay, someone. Inshi is not here. Oh, we a bit late. Okay. Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, Raihana has given the answer. Okay, Raihana, let's see. Okay, okay, let me just check. Hassan answered different from Raihana. Okay, we're gonna go through later. So now here's one same as Raihana. So let's see. Shabika made, let me see. Shafika only got one minus term. Okay, we are going to go through. Are you ready now? Okay, you check. A times x plus and plus. Your answer must be plus ax. Then plus times minus. This is minus. Look at the sign in front of it. Look at the sign. No sign means plus. Plus times minus is minus. Minus ay. Then minus and plus. No sign means plus. Minus and plus is minus. Then last one, remember this. Minus and minus give you plus lah. So let us check. Let us check. Asan did not. Yeah, Asan got it correct. Hold on. No, where is our? Hold on. Where is? Okay, muted here. So Shafika, you know your mistake, right, Shafika? And what about the rest? Here, do you? Okay, here there's something wrong here. You got to check. Your bx is supposed to be minus, not by. And Sophia, ax, by. So Sophia, your bx is supposed to be minus, not by. Okay, I hope you all get it. If you're confused, please tell me. Please tell me. Anyone confused now? Sophia, are you confused? No, right? You all are very clear, right? If you're confused, that means you have forgotten this rule. Remember what rule? Plus times plus give you plus. Minus and minus give you plus. You must remember this is for times, when you multiply. Minus and plus is minus. Plus and minus is minus. Okay, you must know this. If you don't know, you better take it down. If you don't know, please take it down. I think you all know already. Okay, so I'm going to erase it. Okay, here we go. Now I think we go to more interesting one. This one, 4 terms, one 4 terms. Let's try I lah. I. You lah, you. This one you don't need to worry, all is plus. But do you know how many terms? You must have 6 terms. 6 terms. See, what are terms? Terms are the numbers lah. Consider numbers. When you expand, you got 6 numbers. Hen, you know what to do, Hen? Inshi, where are you, Inshi? I cannot see you, Inshi. I've forgotten how you look like, Inshi. And Zahira. You must have 6 terms. I repeat. If you do not know how to get 6 terms, that means we got to revise again. Okay, Hen is typing his answer. Let's see whether it's correct. So first, typing answer whether she's correct. Okay, Ahsan coming first. Ahsan, let's see whether you're right. Congratulations, Mr. Ahsan. Now let's see. Sophia. You are confusing now your answer. But your answer is correct, but confusing. Okay, later I'm going to explain the answer. Okay, well done. Sophia, you got it correct. So what about the rest? Here, what about you? Descend right here. Here, still typing. Shafika, what about you, Shafika? Aduh, Shafika so happy lah, Shafika. Waiting for Abang. Hey, don't. Abang represent you. Abang, answer mana, Abang? Okay, let's see. Aduh, siapa ni? Hian, mistake lah. Something is wrong here. Dah forgot. Don't forget. Okay, never mind. You all got more than 6 terms now. Okay, I'm going to go through now. I do not know whether the rest are doing or not. You must remember, you fire the missile. M, you times this. 1 term. Then times the next one. 2nd term. Then times the 3rd one. 3rd term. And then times like that. 4th term. And then 5th term. And then the 6th term. All right. So let us see. Rahana, let us see whether you're correct. Rahana, your answer I think are all correct. Only thing upside down. So you and Sophia got to attend a special class where you have to turn upside. You are like a bat lah. You see the world upside down. After a while, you feel it's normal. So down here, can I write M3X? You say can what? Yeah, can, but don't write that. The teacher mark you wrong. Take number times number. See what number is on here. Now, this is number 1. 1 times 3 is what? 3. X times M, MX. But one of you or some of you wrote XM. Don't write XM lah. We write alphabetical order. M comes before X. So you must write like that. Last week I explained to Asan. MX. Okay. Then you times the next one. Number times number. Say number 1 times 8 is 8. Don't write YM. Although you like yummy, yummy, you don't write yummy. Please, you write MY, Malaysia, my. Like that. Why? Because M comes before Y. Then next one, times the Z. Okay. M times Z. Some of you write, I like ZM lah. Don't want ZM, ZM. Write MZ. Why? M comes before Z. And then next one, now you at the bottom here. Okay, I write a different color. You can see. N times X. Some of you write this one. 3XN. A very nice name like XN. Hello. Write 3NX. Why? N comes before X. And then N times Y. 8 and Y. New York lah. Don't YN. Some of you are writing YN. Then last one. NZ. New Zealand. New Zealand. Don't write NZ. So now can you add any of them? Cannot, all different animals. MZ. No more MZ. MY, no more MY. So this is your answer. Okay? You understand? Sophia, you get it? Rahana, you get it? You understand now? Alphabetical, okay? Okay, we move on to the next one. Hey, come on, guys. You have to be able to master this. We try one more. This one got minus. Be careful, huh? Be careful. Zahira, okay not, Zahira? Look like Datin, huh? You know what's Datin? Huh? Very rich lady.
Hey.
Yeah?
Do J or H?
J. This one, J. That means a very rich lady. I think you might become very successful. Zahira. Oh, you don't want? Okay lah. Careful, okay? Careful, okay? Where is that boy? Check, See, I must look for everyone here. Hen, you get it, Hen? Hen, you understand, huh? I cannot see your head, only see your forehead. Okay, tak apalah. So long as you all are doing good. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to. Yeah. Hassan, you don't know my style, okay? Okay, you can message me. Can do, you will get again 6 different. Okay, let's see, Raihana. Let's see whether you're right. Almost right. Your NY and NZ. Be careful. Remember, minus down here times minus. Minus times minus. Minus times minus become plus, Raihana. Your last two. Almost there. Sakit kepala, Zaira. You can do it. Okay. Sophia, okay not, Sophia? Sophia got this like very sad look. I feel so sad for her. Just a moment. Hassan, okay now? Okay, let's see now. Rana. Rana, then what? Okay, Rana, now one mistake ni. Rana, this NZ, New Zealand. N times Z, minus times minus again, Rana. Minus times minus becomes what? Okay, let's see. Asan, minus times minus down here. Minus times minus will become what? You got to check. Then Asan, this one. This is plus, times minus. You must look at the sign in front. The sign plus times minus equals to what? Yours is now get confused. Hold on. Yeah. Yours is correct. Sorry, you move a while. Sorry, Let me just check a sun one again. Sun. Okay, Sun. Sorry. Your answer is all correct except for how come you get 10 and y? This is 1, times 5. How come you get extra? Something wrong. Okay, Shafika, we check yours, Shafika. So Hassan, one mistake in calculation, Wow, Shafika, good, Oh, Shafika. NY, Shafika, NY. Shafika, minus times minus down here. Ika. Stop eating lah. Minus times minus. Minus equals to what? Plus. Okay, I have to go through now. Okay? Let us see now. So, remember, very simple. First, you fire the first missile, then to the second, then to the third. Ask yourself, this is plus. So the answer must be plus. Number times number first. 2 times 4, 8. M times X, MX. Like that. Go to the next one. Plus times minus must be minus. 2 times 5, 10. M times Y, MY. Notice number times number, letter times letter. Now the next one, 2M times this, plus times minus again. 2 times 6, 12. M times Z, MZ. Okay, I write below here. Then the next one now down here. Minus times plus, minus lah, because minus and plus give minus. This is number 1. You see, got kosong, not kosong 1. 1 times 4, 4. N times X, NX. Next one. Minus times minus plus lah. Minus times minus plus lah. 1 times 5, 5. N times Y, NY, New York. Last one. Minus times minus plus.
Oh.
Yeah?
I don't understand how you get the plus.
Okay. Hold on. We go one by one. Okay, minus times minus plus again. So 6Z. So 6 and Z. So now say which one you don't know? Which one? 5 and Y. 5 and Y, yeah?
I don't know how you get the plus.
For 5 and Y, is it? Okay, now let us look carefully. The number, when I write a number on here, 5x minus 2y. This has a sign. Say, where's the sign? If there's no sign, it means it's plus. I repeat, if there's no sign, it means it's plus. Then this one means the minus belongs to the 2y. So down here, this minus belongs to the 1n. I repeat, the minus belongs to the 1n. Now when you want to times to the 5y, the minus belongs to the 5y also. So minus times minus plus 1 times 5, 5. N times y, ny. You get it, Shabika? So you must remember the minus belongs to the number. But I thought last time I learned 7 minus 2 means 7 take away 2. That's one way. Another way is this one is plus 7. You have $7, utang $2. In the end, you still have got $5. So secondary school, you can say that this sign belongs to the number. Okay. All right, now we move on. Okay, you are getting it, but you still have to do better than this. Okay, now we try next one. This one, one. This one. Okay, you try this A, 4A. Can see again. You can do this. Try to not make an error lah. Okay, try not to make an error. Sophia, okay, Sophia? Here, Hannah, you're getting it. Hey, is there a mirror behind you? Yeah. I asked you this question before. I think so. Why you have a mirror there? Chinese family, they have a mirror. You know why, right? They have a mirror. They put a mirror facing outside. I think so that the ghost look at the mirror, the ghost get scared, and ghost will run away. I think so. I think so. So you can check it out lah. Under Singapore ghost stories. Oh, say no, no, that's not mirror. Okay, it's just a window. Sorry. It looks like a mirror lah. Of course, maybe in some Chinese houses they put mirror, ghosts can check whether it looks scary enough and then to go to scare people. Feng Shui. My mother say it's good luck. I do not know lah, good luck or bad luck. Sophia, why don't you go by this way, Sophia? I see yours like, how come yours is like berterabur sikit lah? How you try to see earlier on? Never mind. You do your method. You do method. So long as the arrangement is correct with the signs, is okay. Okay, first answer coming in from Raihana. Let's see. Oh, very good so far. 4a times 10, you know. You forgot the a, miss. Other than that, everything correct. Congratulations, Raihana. Just that one error. You know your mistake, right? Asan, let's see. 9BY, not YB, yeah. YB in Malaysia means yang berbahagia. That means you are like Mr. quite a big like sir like that. Okay, we don't want YB, want BY. Let's see now. This one. Aduh, terabur lah, terabur. Here, you're doing which one here? 4A, right? You're doing 4A or what? Which one you doing? You just send me. Oh no, that's Sophia. Sorry. I was looking at Sophia. I thought it's yours. Okay. Here, let's see. Here, 10 times A here. Don't forget. 10 times. Sorry. Your 10 times B. See, there's 10 times B, right? You forgot to times the B, and you forgot to times the A. You just put the 10 on it. Not XB, BX, please. 8BX. So your mistake is only the number 10. The 2 tens your answer, there's a mistake. Let me just, okay, I'm going to run through now. Okay. Take this times this. How to do? Okay. This is plus, answer must be plus. Number times number, 8 times 4, 32. A times X, AX. Okay. Next one. This times this now. Plus times minus, minus. Okay, this one is a plus sign in front, times minus. 4 times 9, 36. A times Y, AY. Next one, 4A times this. Here and those 4 times 10 is this plus times plus, plus 40. Don't forget the A. See, I thought A times 0. No, down here, you imagine is 1 lah. A times 1 is A. Next one, plus times plus. Down here, number 1. 1 times 8, 8. X times B times X, BX. Don't put XB, please. Then the next one, B times 9Y. Plus times minus, get minus. Plus times minus, get minus. B times 9Y, 9BY. Don't write YB, must do alphabetical. Down here now, 10 times B, 10, 10 times B, 10B lah. Plus times plus down here. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you're okay. We have to do the next one now. Let me see. Are you all still making errors now? Okay, you're getting closer. Let's see now, Sophia. Let me see. Hold on, just let me check. Sophia, your 9BY must be minus, you see. Plus times minus, give you minus. 40A plus 40A plus times plus. You must look at the sign in front. This is in front is plus. In front you got nothing is plus. Plus and plus is plus. So must be plus 40A. And the last one is minus 10B, plus 10B, right? Plus 10B. Okay. You all are getting closer, but still, there are still inaccuracies. So let us try now the next one. Where's the next one? We try the B. We try the B. Down here, this B. Do your best lah, do your best. Inci, show off lah your skill, Inci. I don't want to show off lah. Okay lah. Just because you become internal. Okay. Maaf, aku bising ya. Okay, careful, careful, guys. You can do this, guys. Right after this, we'll take a short break. Short break doesn't mean we'll leave. Hayan now has come in first. Let us see Hayan's answer. First one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is correct. Fifth term is correct. Sixth term, congratulations, Mr. Hayan. You got it correct. Congratulations. Well done. Collect a prize from your mom. Okay, then, yeah, from whoever at home. Okay, you can collect the prize. For Shafiqah and Shafi, you collect the prize from each other. But come on, you got to be doing first lah. Inshira also, same thing. And Zahira. After you make Rayhana jealous, Rayhana also bring her brother. Okay, let's see now Asan now. Asan. First term is correct. Second term is correct. Third term is correct. Fourth term is correct. Fifth term is need. Sixth term is need. Okay, now Wahkam get 10. Okay. Minus 5 times 2x. Minus times minus Asan. Minus times minus. Get plus. Then minus times plus. Get minus. So that last one terbalik. Let's see now. Shafiqah and Shafi. This sounds like a duet. Okay, duet song. Okay, first term is correct. Second term correct. Third term lah salah. Ika Shafi. See this one plus, you know. This one is plus, you know. Plus and plus, how come you get minus? Oh, they say, I thought minus become plus. Yes, minus become plus. So plus must become minus. Don't come out your own rule, please. There's no such rule as plus become minus. This is your own rule. Cannot, ma'am. Plus and plus is plus. Okay, now Inshira and Zahira. First term correct. Second term correct. Third term correct. Fourth term correct. Fifth term dia lupa, dia pergi plus lah. 5 times 2, you go take 5 plus 2. Apalah, why you going 5 plus 2? Everything you be multiplying, now you go plus. Apa ni? 5 times 2, 10 lah. Not 5 times 2, 10. And the last one, almost all correct lah. You had an open goal, but you... Okay, I go through. Okay. Plus times plus. 18. A, B, just B, you need no A. This times this now. Plus and minus. 6 times 2, 12. B times X, BX. Okay, this is correct. Next one, times the third one. Plus and plus. You get plus 42. by. Okay. There's now I pointed this mistake. Shafika was looking like that, looking at the brother, blaming the brother lah. See, your fault lah. Okay, now next one. Now we go down here. Minus and plus is minus. 5 times 3, 15. A. Minus, minus and minus. Minus becomes plus. Okay. 5 times 2, 10. Don't go in 5 plus 2. 5 times 2, 10. AX. And the very last one. Minus and plus is minus. 5 times 7, 35. A times y, AY. Okay, I hope you all have gotten it. We will just take a very short break where I will show you something you'll be shocked. You all heard of the Squid Game, huh? Okay, I got one student in primary 6 this year. She always masak sotong masak kicap, but that's not the Squid Game. I show you the Squid Game. Sotong masak kicap, sotong means cuttlefish lah. You cook in the kicap. That is not Squid Game. I show you the real Squid Game. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. I show you real Squid Game. Watch. Okay, now don't be shocked. Now this is the real Squid Game. Can you see this? Hold on. North Korea. South Korea is where you watch all the movies from. This is North Korea. North Korea is communist. You know, there's one fat boy. You know, Donald Trump called him Rocket Boy. Later I'll show you who he is. They are going to execute. Execute down here means to kill the person by firing squad for shooting. Why? Because someone smuggled in the Squid Game into the country. He brought in illegally Squid Game. Now that person is going to be shot. And this sounds like the story from Squid Game. So what happened? What happened? This might happen in, let's say, one of your schools. Okay, let's say now, for example, North Korea is reportedly going to execute. Execute got two meanings. If someone tell you execute, it means carry out. In this case, execute means to kill. By firing squad, that means a few bullets machine gun for someone for smuggling in a copy of the Netflix series Squid Game into the kingdom. What happened? The person is a high schooler. In high school, you know, in secondary school, Sec 3, Sec 4, brought in a USB, you know, those drive flash disks, and in it there was the show. Now that guy, the one in school, sentenced to life imprisonment. Can you imagine? You bring in, you bring in a video, you go and watch in your school, you kena life sentence. No, this is the real Squid Game. I'm telling you. The smuggler is said to have brought a copy of Squid Game to North Korea from China, and then he sold the flash disk. So what happened? See, his death. There's another person, the one who brought in will die, and then he make copies for the students. What happened? The one who bought the copy get life sentence. The 6 of them who enjoy watch the show kena 5 years of hard labor carrying stones, rocks, just for watching a show. You're laughing at him. So I do not know lah. You read this group. They have this surveillance group. Okay, you're not supposed to bring other countries' film inside. I do not know whether you know what I'm talking about. Who is the person? So I'm just gonna hold on. I think I better show you lah. Okay, this one. Who is North Korea? North Korea guy. North Korea. You can call him Rocket Boy lah. That's the. This is the guy. This guy. You know this guy? Have you seen? This is North Korea. North Korea is different from South Korea. This guy. This country. He's such a fat boy. You know what he said on a recent thing? I can show you. He said that there's not enough food because of COVID. The food from China cannot enter. You know what this guy said? He tell the people to eat less food. You see how fat he is? He asked people to eat less food. Such a fella lah. But anyway lah. But that is the real Korea. So if you want to go Korea, you don't book the wrong flight. Say I want to go to North Korea. Mati dah. In North Korea is communist country. Okay, you got to go to South Korea. Okay. But don't go there lah. These people are all pretentious, you know. You know, right? How pretty they are. You do not know which part of the body is on the face. They might cut it out from the bum and paste it there. Okay, let's try now. Okay. So don't think of marrying them lah. Zahira, I can see you I'm going to marry orange, blue, black, pink, whatever lah. Okay, but you do not know. Next time you marry the person, you are kissing the chick. Which part are you kissing? Say, how come? The chick smells very smelly. Of course, they don't cebok lah. Okay, come. We do this on 1A. See, my wife is looking at me. See, how can I talk such thing? But it's true, right? My mother is white. We do 5A and 5B, yeah? 5A and, sorry, 5A and 5, sorry, what am I saying? 1A and 1D. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you the news. You know the principal? Okay, sorry. I better show you this one again lah. Sorry, I forgot to tell you this, but I told myself I'm going to read to you guys, but where is it? Sorry. You read this thing again. What happened to the school principal? You know what happened? Aduh, I tell you, see, this is what happens. Those not involved also punished. So what happened to the school principal? This one, hold on. Wait. Those not involved, like the school principal, the youth secretary, and homeroom teacher have been dismissed. They are sacked from the school because some students go and do that nonsense thing. Hey, don't do that to me. Okay? I do not know what might happen to me here. Imagine, school principal kena sack. Not only that, no, he has to be posted to a remote place because some student go and watch this Squid Game. Okay, 1A and 1D. I think someone has given an answer so fast. Okay. Oh, Shafika. Rahana. How come? The first answer, Rahana, you can plus them together lah. If 10x plus 10x is 20x, but that's not correct. Inshira, Zahira, well done. Shafika, well done. Okay, let's see. Raihana, the next one. Raihana, you try the first one. Hassan, the first one, well done. Second one, okay. Here, if it's 10x plus 10x, you can become 20x. It's not 10x plus 10x. Okay, your first one, no, cannot put 20x, Raihana. Base your, cannot put 20x here. Okay, yeah, I got to go through that. Because you have forgotten to times. Look, Raihana, and here. 5 times 2, number times number. 5 times 2, 10. X times 10, x is x squared, not x, no. If you put x, then there's now 5 times 2, 10, x. That's why I say if your answer is like that, you can plus together to make 20x. But the actual working is not like that. It's not like that. Why? X times x is x squared. You must leave it like that. 10x squared plus 10x. Okay, Rahana, and here you get it, huh? Number times number, 5 times 2 is 10. X times x is x squared. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10x. So you must leave an answer here. Down here, you check your answer. Let's see. Minus 7x, well done. For those of you who got it right. Then minus times minus plus. Inshi, come on. Inshi, forgot lah, Inshi. Inshi and Zahira, you go in plus. Ni ada penyakit plus lah. Penyakit plus. Sometimes you time, sometimes you plus. This one must time, 5 times 2. Down here, you say 1 plus 9. Cannot 1 plus 9. Down here, there's the 1. This number was 1. Okay, we do together. I think you don't know what I'm talking about. This one, there's a number 1. So how to do? Minus times plus is minus. 1 times 7, 7x. You see, I got it right. Yes, good. Then the next one, minus times minus plus. 1 times 9, 9. Don't go in plus 9. Okay, x times x, x squared. I hope you understand. Okay, you get it, Nana? Inshira and Zahira, you get it, huh? Get it? Okay, go. Okay, we move on. We move on. Now you know that this session is taped. So if you do not know, please refer to the video. Later, I'll show you how to go to video lah. For the primary level, they go for the videos. Second level, they don't go. Okay, you try now. Question 2A and 2D. Come on. For your information, don't make the mistake. This one, there is no bracket here. There is no bracket here. What does it mean? It means only this you times down here, this you times. Don't take the 5 and go and times inside. This times this times this. The 5x squared, you leave it alone. Okay, let's try now. Okay, congratulations to Inshira Zahira. Can you do move to question D? Well done. Well done. You look as if you are eating something, no, Zahira. For a while, you are actually, oh, you are eating. I thought you were taking out a pencil just now, but okay, but anyway. Come. Here now. Here is given answer. Raihana, something is wrong, Raihana. Hey, Raihana, 2x and 12x can plus together. 2x and 12, but the 12, is it x squared or 12x? You must take number times number. 2 times 6, then x times x, no, Raihana. Don't forget that. Here, I just check answer, it disappeared here. What happened? Don't be shy, here. Let's see now. Okay. Here, you forgot this here. Here, look at this. 2 times 2x times 1 is 2x. Then 2 times 6, x times x. That answer you can plus with this 5x. Ryan, I got to check again. So sorry. Okay, we're going to go through in a moment. Shafika and Shafi'i. X3 don't have x cube. That means you did not listen to what I mentioned, I think. Let me just to show you again. Something is wrong. Okay. We go to the first one. Some of you are confused already. Asan can do not? Asan also confused. Asan, yeah, your first one is correct, Asan. Okay, but normally you write the x. So this one now, Shafika, this one, leave it alone. Why is not being multiplied to that? See, but that's not, I saw this one, it being multiplied like that. That's not we do. You see being multiplied. Like that. This one got bracket, you know.
That one like x squared.
Oh, like x squared. Now I confused what she's saying. This one got x squared. Okay. I'm gonna just tell you, down here you leave the 5x squared alone. Leave it alone. It's not being multiplied to anything. Leave it alone. Don't blame abang. Don't blame abang. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Plus times plus is 2x, right? Then 2 times 6 is 12. X times x is x squared. Can you see? Plus times plus is plus. Now, which two terms can be added? 12x squared plus 5x squared equals to 17x squared. 17x squared plus 2x. Now, it's okay to write 2x plus 17 square, x squared, but it's better to write this way. Normally, bigger to smaller. Okay, we try. Can you try D? You all have tried D, right? I will put up D. Can you try D? I hope you're not confused. If you're confused, please tell me. I'll go through again. So far, Shafika is the only one who says she doesn't understand. The rest, I hope they understand. No. Shafi said, don't praise my sister. Okay? She's a bad girl. No, she's a good girl. Where's the bad girl? 2D. Hassan, you gave your answer here. Let me see. Hassan, your answer is almost correct. There's a mistake in the sign. Okay, don't understand. No problem. Which one? This one. First one, you understand first one. This one, understand? Understand. Inshara gave an answer already here. Okay, let's see. Inshira, sorry lah, your answer is wrong. Okay, we wait for a while. Just wait for a while, then I'm going to show you how to do. Inshira, your answer is not correct. What about the rest? Yeah, I'm going to just show it this way. Here cannot be just one answer. Cannot. Something is wrong. Okay, Sophia, this is your earlier answer, right? So, Asan, you found your answer, correct answer. You know what's your mistake or not? Okay, we give 1 more minute, 1 more minute before we go through. If you're confused, I want you to draw the line now. Don't be embarrassed with drawing line like that. You know, last time when I'm supposed to do assignment, group work, whatever, you know, the secondary school students, they always go for the thick books, small letters. You know what I do? I go to the children section, I borrow the big words, many pictures, and I read those books and I understand. And then I can do the project work. Those people pretend to borrow thick books, they don't read the books. You all know that, right? All pretend to read. And then read after 3 pages, they cannot read anymore. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Now your answer become, okay, we see. Okay, we go one by one. Okay, Zahira, watch. This one times this first. Minus times plus, minus. 2 times 8, 16. X times x, x squared. Minus 16x squared. Here now coming in again. Okay, then the next one. This times this now. Raihana, we're going to check in a moment. Minus times minus becomes plus. Okay. 2 times 3, 6x. Zahira, okay so far? She says she don't understand. She happy makan. She looking at orang apa lah Zahira ni. Okay, you get it or not? Minus times plus minus. 2 times 8, 16. X times x, x squared. The next one, minus times minus is plus. 2 times 3 is 6x. Next one, plus times plus, give you plus lah. 5 times, what number is this one is 1, you know. 5 times 1 is 5. X times x is x squared. Alright, 5 times 1 is 5. X times x is x squared. You see, how come this is 1? Well, I ask you what is x plus x. You say the answer is 2x. Correct? That means this is 1x plus 1x. And you learn in sec 1, when you have 1x, you don't say 1x, you just say x. So next one now, 5 times 10 is 50. Plus and minus is minus. Plus minus is minus. 5 times 10, 50x. So let us look at what is similar. You have minus 16x squared plus 5x squared. 5 minus 16, what do you get? You get minus 11x squared. Okay, and then, now, look carefully here. You have only $6. Hassan, you got $6. Now you utang $50. You pay the $6, you still owe $44. Your mistake, Hassan, was this is supposed to be minus. Are we okay now? Okay, I ask one by one. Rayana, okay not Rayana? Okay, we do not know whether that okay is real okay. Sophia, okay not Sophia? You understand? Okay. Zahira, okay, Zahira. Zahira said okay, but halfway she left during explanation, come back, she's okay. I'm not asking you whether you are mentally okay, whether you understand. Shabika, you understand, Shabika? Dah busy drinking milkshake lah, this girl. Hassan, you understand? Here, okay, not here? Okay, we got to practice some more. We got to practice. Okay, notice you need to practice. You need to practice. Okay, so what do we practice now? Okay, now we try. We try A first lah. 3A first. Okay, we start with simple one first. Simple one. Come on, guys. Don't make a mistake down here. If you need to use a calculator, carry on. You know you can use calculator, right? Secondary school, use lah. Now no one is going to scold you for using calculator. I'm not going to test you on timetable. Come on, Sophia. Hmm. The cousins all have the same answer. Let's see. Yeah. Congratulations to the 4 cousins. Well done. Here, x times x, no, don't forget, no. Something wrong, Lion. Oh, Sophia and here, ya Allah. Now, Misha, I'm looking here. And Sophia, that means you're confused. Ah, here now getting better. But you forgot to times the 3 lah here. You're not fair lah. You must times 3 by, okay, so who's not, Rahana, what about you, Rahana? Look, down here. Easy, easy. This times this. 3 times 6, 18. X times x, Sophia, x square. X times x means x square. Then do the next one. Times the next one. Plus times minus must be minus already. Here, 3 times 11 here. 3 times 11, 33. X times y, xy. This is your answer. Okay. We try the next one. B, this. Asan, well done. Well done. Okay, we try B. You got to clarify this until you are able, at least by the end of this lesson, you are clear. Super. You go to school, somehow you'll feel, hey, I'm working at a different speed. That will be a wonderful experience. Come on, B. Come on, B. Hey, cousin. Hey, cousin, don't share answer. Cousin. As if I share answer. Okay, let's see, Inshira. And sister, well done. Congratulations. Okay, can you move on to question C, please? Inshi and Hassan. Hassan, you forgot the X and Y. What happened? Disappear lah. Hassan. Letter times letter, a number times number, then letter times letter. Shafika, let's see. Congratulations. Inshi, you forgot. Inshira, Zahira, you forgot that 40 is wrong. You forgot a letter. Cousins one is correct. Well done to Shafika and Shafi'i. Your 40, you forgot X times Y, you only put X. Not fair, huh? Asan, now your answer is correct. Asan can move to C. Inshi and Zahira, before moving to C, you know your mistake, huh? You forgot the thing, huh? Then you can move on. Hayan, can you know Hayan? Number times number, then letter times letter. Okay, never mind. We struggle during the holidays. It's okay lah. You go back to school, you be a champion lah. And you know what's the fastest way, right, to improve further is to teach your weaker friends. Don't worry. Okay, they won't get better than you. You will get better and better. That's the secret. Okay, let's see now. Shafika and Shafi'i for question C. Zahira. Okay, Shafika and Shafi'i got 2 terms. Zahira and Inshira got 3 terms. Now you're supposed to have three terms. Hold on. Supposed to have 3 terms. Shafika, Shafi'i, yours only 2 terms. So let us see now. Congratulations to Inshira and Zahira. Please do the last one. Okay, Hayan, let's see. Congratulations, Hayan, well done. Ian, well done. Okay, I'm going to go through B. Raihana and Sophia, minus times plus is minus. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 5, 40, yeah. Hold on. Okay, 8 times 5, 40. Ay, sorry, ada thing. 8 times 5, 40. X times Y, XY. This is where Inshira and Zahira put X. Okay, we come to that. We come to that in a moment. Because maybe you can simplify, I think, some of them. Okay, let us see. Hold on. Minus times plus, minus. 8 times 9, 72. X times X squared, X cubed. Now, if you're confused, there's X times X times X. X squared is X times X. And then you times by another X. So this means X to the power of 3. X to the power of 3 means X times X times X. This one means what? This is X, X. Okay, this is X, X. This is 1X. So there's X appearing 3 times. It's X to the power of 3. Okay, we do to the next one. You check whether you answer. Shafika and okay, let's see. Okay, Hassan and Shafika. Okay, let's see. BC. Number times number. 2 times 7, 14. X times X squared. That means X to the power of what, Hassan? X to the power of 3. Why? Because this is X. We times by X. X squared is X times X. This is X times X. You times one more X, so X power 3. You get it, Hassan? Yeah. You must be able to see. So well done to Inshira and, Shafika and brother. 2 times 1 is 2. X, Y times Y. So Y times Y, Y square. Okay, if you're confused, never mind, we'll go shortly. 4 times 2. Don't forget 4 times 2 is 8, right? Shafika and your last one, not correct lah. 4 times 2, 8 lah. 8xy lah. Where got xyz ni? Macam mana dia boleh letak z? Oh, you doing the next one. Okay, down here, 4 times 2 is 8 xy. So this is your answer. Are you confused? Huh? Sophia confused? No. No one want to say they're confused. They say, I'm the only one. Okay, this last one, you're done already, is it? I just give the answer. If you have done, you just check the answer, okay? Whether you, this one now minus 4x square yz. Okay, I'm not going through, you just check. Then plus, y plus minus times minus. 40 y, x, y cubed. Okay, there's 1x, y, there's 3y, so y cubed. Minus, y minus? Minus times plus minus. 4xyz. Oh, okay. The brother and sister telling me this one. Okay. All right, if you've gotten it right, well done. Okay, we move on. Okay, now it's 9. I think I just share you another news lah. Why? Because I'm afraid you all might be a little bit. Okay, this is quite a okay news site. There was a case, latest news. I do not know whether you know. This one is quite important for you all to know. Let me see. There's a man who died. I hope I'm not telling you all bad stories. Okay, anyway. Mothership, man die in car. This one. So they do not know what happened. Suddenly, this man is found inside the car dead. Was found, 39-year-old man found motionless in a car park at the open car park. He was pronounced dead at the scene. Okay, so we do not know what happened, but this type case have happened a few times. Okay, we can try see where you close the door, aircon is running, and then for some models of car, the carbon monoxide go inside the car. In the end, people die. A few times this happened. Okay, people died in car with aircon on. For you all to know, okay, for you all to know, Noida, I do not know what is this, this guy. He was sleeping in the car, found dead after sleeping in car with aircon on. Why? Well, sometimes the carbon monoxide, you know what's carbon monoxide? The smoke that comes out from the exhaust pipe. Okay. So there have been, but I myself, see, woman dies after sleeping in a car with air conditioning on. So sometimes happen when there's a leakage. But I last time went through a divorce. I got no place to stay. I slept in the car. 6 hours, you know Masjid Qasim? I parked outside Masjid Qasim. I turn on the aircon, everything all shut, but I open up the window slightly. And then I slept. For 6 hours, I slept. When I woke up, how? My body was the shape of a chair. Because too long. Anyway. Hassan, you okay not, Hassan? I hope you are okay with the stories I tell. This is just a break lah. Okay, but this is true story. Okay, we try this one. This is good practice for you, Zahira, and all of you lah. For all of you, we try 4A. So the point, if you're going to be in a car with the air conditioning on, please open up the top part of the window in case you have carbon monoxide, there's some air going out there. In many cases in Singapore, this is not the first case. No? So many cases. There was one case where this man is really married. He had a girlfriend. What do you think happened? Dua-dua mati in the car park. Dan tangkap. So first I say, Ya Allah, why is he telling us all of this? Sorry lah, Sophia. Four A. Okay, someone is given an answer. Congratulations, Hassan. Move on to 4B, please. Okay, Hassan, your answer is correct. Please move on to 4B. Shafiqa, your answer is correct. Move on to 4B. What about the rest? Inshira, how come you get x to the power 4? Something is wrong. You go in times, this one plus lah, not times. Plus, you don't increase the power. Yes, this is correct. Okay, what about the rest? Hannah, Sophia, and
We are tired, please, don't give us any more, please. I'm getting headache.
okay, here for the first one, unfortunately, something is wrong somewhere here. Something is wrong. Same thing, Rahana also got the same thing. Almost different answers, slightly the same as here. Okay, I'm going to do the first one, okay? Raihana and Hayan, watch this, your mistake. This is your first mistake. That's why you had 3 terms. 8 times 3, 24. X times X, X square. Hayan and Raihana, 24x square. Then later you plus with 12x square. Then next one, minus 8 times 3, 32 xy. You can plus the x square, 12x square. What do you get? Okay, just hold on, Inshira Zahira. You get 36 x square minus 32 xy. Okay, I hope you all get it. Okay, the next one now. Let's see. answers for the next one. Okay, Inshira, Hassan, and Zahira. Let's see here. Well done, Hassan. Go move on to the next one. Well done, Inshira, Zahira, Shafi'i, and your first term is correct. Your second term is wrong. It's not 21xy. It's more than minus something, 30 something. Oh, sorry. Move on to question C. Yeah, those who have completed. Yeah. The rest, don't worry. You don't need to complete all. But what you need to do is you need to be able to understand. Yeah. Hassan, move on to C. Yeah. Here, let's see. Here, okay, here, your 5x squared and minus x squared, you can minus what? 5x squared minus x squared, what do you get? And then here, minus 30xy minus 9xy, you can combine them. You owe mother $30, you owe father $9. How much do you owe altogether? You got to factorize further. Almost there here, almost there. Your working is correct. So nice, Zahira. What are you eating? Ice cream? Yeah. I see there's an old ice cream. Come. Sophia, are you okay, Sophia? Here, not 21. You make the same mistake as Mr. Shafi'i and Shafika. Okay, I'm going to go through this one now. Rahana, you forgot also about double x squared. Tired already, Rahana. Okay, now. This one I go. 5 times 1 is 5. X times x is x squared. So Rahana, this is 5x squared. Then 5 times 6, 30. X times y, xy. Remember, plus and minus is minus, you know. Go on to the next one. 1 times 9, 9. X times y, xy. Minus, sorry. Minus xy. This one really going haywire, my friend. Okay, xy, minus and plus. Next one. X times x, Rahana, x times x is x squared. Yeah, I cannot write copy. X squared. Allahu Akbar. This one is x squared. Minus and plus is minus. Now, look carefully. Here, can you see now? This one, 5x squared minus x squared. What do you get? You get 4x squared. Now, Shafi'i and Shafika, you utang $30. You utang $9. You must utang $39. Don't go and get 30 minus 9. Cannot. Because both are, you utang, must utang like that. Okay. Okay, wow, some have done D, you know. Okay. One by one. Okay, I give you the answer for this one. Those who, okay, I'm going to give you the answer for this. Okay, you check your answer. Okay, then we move on to the next one. Down here is 62. You're supposed to get 62. Oh, no one got 62. Yeah, 62 XY. Hassan got 62 XY minus 17 Y square. Okay, Hassan, I think you are getting the hang of it here. Okay. Minus 17 XY. This is your final answer. Minus 17, hold on. Y square, sorry. 62xy minus 17y square. Let me check. Hassan, so far, what about the rest? Shafika and Shafi'i, well done. Inshira and Zahira, well done. Anyone else? No one else, So the three groups now understand, inshallah. The last one, I'm just going to give you the answer again for D before we move on to something else. Well, I'm worried now. Half the class cannot not answering really. Minus 14 minus 14x squared. So Inshira, not bad. Plus 2xy. Well done, Inshi and Zahira. And the last one is minus 7y squared. Okay, well done. Okay, we move on, we move on, okay? If you want answers to this, you can ask me later. And let's move on. This one now. Okay, you have already honed your skills for this one. Please be able to do it. Be able to do it, okay? A first, please, A first. Let me see who sent. Asan, yes, I think your answer is correct. That's now your answer. Yeah, Asan, your answer is correct. Well done. Come on, let's try this one. Your final answer will have only 3 terms. Your final answer will only have 3 terms. Sophia, okay, not tired eh? You cannot think, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You try it. Need, so sorry. Shafi'i, you correct your sister the thing. Your sister now take that 8 plus x, 8x, 2 plus x, 2x, 8x plus 2x, 10x. Hey, Shafi'i, come on, correct your sister. Raihana. Almost correct. Only your x square, why is it minus? See, minus plus times plus square minus. Don't plus times plus minus. Plus times plus is plus, Rahana. You would get the first one to get the answer correct once you correct the mistake. Here now, here. Oh, Ishira and Zahira. Well done, your answer. Who else? Asan also. Okay. Yeah, well done. Let me see. Shafika and Shafi, I do not know. A little bit confusing. Okay, just let me check. Okay, well done here. So very easy. Very easy. I'm going to do it very fast. X times x, x squared. X times 2, 2x. Then 8 times x, 8x. Then 8 times 2, 16. So what's your answer finally? These two you can combine, the center one. So your final answer is x squared plus 10x plus 16. Okay, you move on. You move on to the next one, B. Okay, because I think you are getting it generally. Okay, the answer here is x squared plus 10x plus 16. Don't worry, we will revise this again in a few months' time. Okay. Who is this? Asan, you must have final 3 terms, not 4 terms. Your 3x and 9x can combine. Shafi'i, sorry, or Zahira, okay. Zahira, something wrong your center term. Shafi'i, congratulations. And Inshira and Zahira, your center term. Center term is your 6x. Something, 3x. You want 3x. 3x. Or you say okay, what? Okay, Hasan, well done. You understand, Hasan? Okay, we are waiting for the rest. Otherwise, we go too far. Kayan, first term correct, last term correct, center term, you made a mistake. Because one is going to be 9x plus 9x now. The other one is minus 3x. Right, Hannah? Cannot just be one term. Okay, come, we do together. Sophia, the KO lah, Sophia. X times x is x squared. Okay. Rahana, then, but there's some orang here. X times 3x, but be careful. This is not plus 3x, Rahana. This is plus, this is minus. Well done, Inshira and Zahira. Minus 3x. Then this one, 9 times x, 9x. This is plus and plus, so it becomes plus. Final, 9 times 3, 27. Plus and minus is minus. You got to combine this one. 9x minus 3x gets 6x in the center. Plus 6x. Why plus 6x? Because the plus has a bigger number. 9 minus 3. Then x squared minus 27. Okay, I know you might be tiring to keep on doing this one, but trust me, once you reach a mastery level, this is very, very helpful for you. We need to move on to the next one. Okay, you try this one. C and D, C and D. C and D. 11 minutes to go, 11 minutes to go. Syafika, where are you, Syafika? Pengsan, ya Allah, tidur. Allah Akbar. That happens to me also. When I drink milkshake at the office, I will sleep also. Tired dah. Tired dah. Okay, never mind. You're tired, never mind. Cannot work already. This one use your brain power now. Hen, can you hear? Okay kan, Hen? Final must have 3 terms also. Final must have 3 terms also. Hassan, let's see whether you're correct, Mr. Hassan. Congratulations, Hassan. Can you move on to the last one, D? Inshira and Zahira also congratulations. Well done. Can you move on to the last one, D? Shafika and Shafi. Well done. Can you move on to the last one, D? Rahana, you there? Not Rahana. Oh, Rahana, you look, you kena pukul already. My brother pukul me. But it's okay. If you get tired at this stage, it's okay because you have been trying, you have been thinking good. When we do things using our head, you know what the Quran says about thinking? It says, man does not like to think. Let us see now here. Here, congratulations here for for C. Congratulations. Well done. And we move on to D here. Okay, Hassan, let's see. Okay, Hassan, you just hit the jackpot. Is it too easy for you already? Too easy, yeah? No. Okay, good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Raihana, 8x can minus the 7x. 8x can minus 7x. 8x minus 7x. Hassan, you try E. You try E now. Okay, we move on. We move on. Raihana, you just one more step from the end. But your 28 is supposed to be minus 28. Why? Minus 7 times plus 4. So minus times plus is minus. Let us see now. Well done to Shafika and Shafi'i. Well done. Yes, congratulations, Miss Raihana. Well done. Can you try question D then? Zahira and Shira, if it's 11x minus 61x, you can combine them. It's supposed to be 11x squared. If you have an x squared, that means it's correct. Must have an x squared, then it's correct. Kakak, must be x squared. I noticed the younger sibling always blaming the older sibling. When they get it wrong, I notice Shafika and Zahira will be, kau na salah lah kau. But when they get it right, I do not know whether they thank Shafi'i and Shira. Okay, move on. Okay, let's see. Hassan. Wow, very fast, very fast. Okay, the more you do, the faster you will master this lah. Asan E, right? Your center, oh, your, okay, normally we put the 10x in the center, but I don't see the 10x. Something is wrong. Let's see. I will try to guess what you did wrong. You see the last one down here, Asan, 5 times 9 is 45. No? How come you get 81? Okay, Shafika. Hey, Shafika, you got 8x squared plus 46x squared, then you can add them together. Something is wrong. Maybe one of the center one doesn't have an x squared. Center one doesn't have x squared. If center one doesn't have an x squared, your answer is correct. Shafi'i and Shafika. Okay, your center term, your center term. Okay, Raihana, let's see, Raihana. Your last one, 6 times 5, Raihana, you get 30. No? 6 times 5, 30. So this one, minus 55x plus 6x, minus 6x. You see down here, Raihana, we do step by step. Okay. I know you're tired already. Okay, Asan, just hold on. This one, you're correct. 11x squared. Well done. Aduh. Sorry, yeah. Okay, this one, you're correct. 11x squared. Then the next one, you took x times minus 6 is minus 6x. And not plus 6x. And then minus times plus, minus 55x. Okay, then the last one, 5 times 6, 30. Minus times minus plus, minus plus. So this one you can combine. You utang $6, you utang $55. All together you utang $61. So it's 11x minus 61x plus 30. Rahana, you get it right? Okay, we are going to go through E now. E, I think some of you are, let's see, Asan, you're giving the last one F, huh? Or E, is it? E, okay, E is correct. Okay, E is correct. Can we move on to F for those of you who have finished? Let's see. Oh, dah penat dia. Come, we have another 4 minutes more. Let's go race to the end. As I said, the more you practice, the more you be able to master. If you can try to complete all 4 questions, that means you will be wunderbar. Hen, over Hen. Hen dah penat Hen. Last message was 9:21. Inci and Zahira, come and try question FGH. Same thing, Shafika and Shafi'i. Rahana, you take your time. You move to E. Try to do one more. One more. Okay, those of you already tired, try to do one more. Where is Sophia? Sophia dah lari, Sophia. Sophia dah give up. Sophia, try one. Sophia. Question E, come on. Okay. What you writing on your palm, Zahira? Oh, what you write? Oh, what is it you're writing? Okay, Asan. You see, Asan is the only one focusing. Maybe Asan and Shafi, the boys. Let us see. This is question number. Okay, Rayhan, just hold on. I'm not confused. Which one is which? 21. Okay, we're doing F, right? F. Asan, your answer is correct. Please move on to G. Shafi'i and Shafika, your center term is wrong. Okay, Raihana, your center term. Your first term, 8x squared is correct, 45 is correct. Center part, so let us check now your center part. Okay, Raihana. 4x times 9. 4 times 9, 36x. Then 5 times 2, 10x. So what do you get? 36 times 10 plus 10, 46x in the center, not 42. Slight error, It's okay, it's okay. I am now doing the next one now. Okay, next one, F. Some still making mistake. Inshira, Zahira also making mistake for F. Okay, I'll show F. Okay. Okay, and then this may be the last question. Hold on. Yeah, very nice. Inai, very nice. Okay, Rahana, I think you got it almost right. All except for your 28. Okay, I'll go one by one. 7. Which one are we doing? Okay, your check. Which one are we doing? 7 times 3, 21. X squared. 7 times minus 1, minus 7. X. 2 times 6 plus 6x. Plus 6x. 2 plus times 1 minus 2. So your final one is 21x squared. 7 plus 6. Minus 7 plus 6 is still minus x. You utang $7, you have $6. You utang $1. And then minus 2. Okay, I'm just going to give the answer for the rest. Asan, you've given the answer for G even. Okay, so we stop at G first. Asan, your answer is correct. Well done. Inshira, Zahira, your answer is correct. Well done for G. I'm just going to write down the answer for G. Is 9x squared plus 52x minus 12. Okay, I think we'll stop here. You all look very tired already. Well done. Okay, I'll catch up with you again next Friday. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Careful, don't go to the wrong place for holiday. North Korea though.